Hey friends, if you wish to turn on, set up, use and turn off sticky keys on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard. You'll find the option for sticky keys here. Okay, so you can turn it on if you want, and then there's an option to keep the sticky key shortcut on. Now earlier this shortcuts are always on, but here's the thing: if you press the shift key 5 times, it will turn sticky keys on or off, and then it can also show the sticky keys icon on the taskbar here, which is on. I can turn it off, I can turn it on, and then you can lock shortcut keys when pressed twice in a row. And you can also turn off sticky keys when two keys are pressed at the same time. Now this is the best way to turn off sticky keys, because at times you wouldn't want to press the shift key 5 times and play a sound when shortcut keys are pressed and released. And if you wish to turn off sticky keys, simply return to the keyboard menu and turn it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.